ICC Champion Trophy 2025. First semi-final India vs Australia. Schedule both team playing 11. Schedule date 4 March. Time 2:30 p.m. IST. And venue Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Team India final playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, captain, opener, batsman. Number 2 Shubman Gill, vice captain, opener, batsman. Number 3 Virat Kohli, first down batsman. Number 4 Shreyas Iyer, right-handed middle order batsman. Number 5 Akshar Patel, batting all-rounder. Number 6 KL Rahul, wicket-keeper batsman. Number 7 Hardik Pandya, batting all-rounder. Number 8 Ravindra Jadeja, batting all-rounder. Number 9 Mohammad Shami, fast bowler. Number 10 Kuldeep Yadav, spin bowler. And number 11 Varun Chakraborty, spin bowler. Team Australia final playing 11. Number 1 Matthew Short, opener batsman. Number 2 Travis Head, opener batsman. Number 3 Stephen Smith, captain, first down batsman. Number 4 Marnus Labuschagne, batting all-rounder. Number 5 Josh English, wicket-keeper batsman. Number 6 Alex Carey, middle order batsman. Number 7 Glenn Maxwell, batting all-rounder. Number 8 Ben Duarshuis, fast bowler. Number 9 Nathan Ellis, fast bowler. Number 10 Adam Zampa, spin bowler. And number 11 Spencer Johnson, fast bowler. All my dear friends, who will win the match? Please comment.